Hello everyone, are you using chia seeds for weight loss? Hold on. You might be making some dangerous mistakes. What if I told you, one small seed could actually send you to the emergency room? Watch till the end, this might just save your health. Or even your life. There's a reason your weight isn't going down. My friend made the same mistake. She started using chia seeds, smoothies, shakes, salads, you name it. But one day, one tiny seed got stuck in her throat. It started swelling. And she couldn't breathe. She ended up in the ER, surrounded by doctors. Here's what happened: chia seeds expand up to 10 times their size. That same property makes them dangerous when taken dry. My friend swallowed them dry, they got stuck, expanded, and nearly blocked her airway. Why chia seeds are powerful? But don't get me wrong, chia seeds are amazing if used right. They're packed with omega-3, fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. They help with digestion, reduce cravings, and burn belly fat. Common mistakes. Let's talk about the top 5 mistakes people make. Mistake 1: eating chia seeds dry. Mistake 2: eating too much. Stick to 1 to 2 teaspoons per day, soaked. Mistake 3: using the wrong water ratio. It becomes too thick and hard to drink. Mistake 4: not drinking enough water. Chia seeds absorbs fluids and can dehydrate you. Mistake 5: adding chia seeds to hot water, it kills all nutrients. Correct way to use. Here's the best way. At night, soak 1 teaspoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. Next morning, drink it on an empty stomach. Add half a lemon if you want better results. This combo is magical for your weight loss and digestion. Lifestyle tips. But remember, chia seeds alone won't do the trick. Eat balanced meals. Avoid sugar and junk. Move your body. Drink water. When you combine these habits, the results will surprise you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs a health boost. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.